Hello, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Maharshi, Shyam, Brahmappa, still Usha, Nishta not joined. Jay Surya, okay, Usha came now. So very good afternoon. Everybody is ready. So guys, as we discussed yesterday, today we are going to discuss how to solve various different type of differential equation. Okay, shall we start quickly because I want to cover as many different type of questions in this session. Is everybody clear what is the differential equation, right? What is the order, degree, and linear, non-linear? Perfectly clear, everyone? Yes, good afternoon, Maharshi. And also, I said yesterday, when we say solving differential equation means what? Means finally getting the equation in the form of y and x. Means get rid of the differential coefficient. That's the objective, right? Let's start with type 1. Suppose if I say solve the following differential equation, which is given by dy by dx equal to x over x square plus 1 means what we have to do? We have to solve this equation somehow. We get the value y in terms of x. The simple equation. So how we'll do it? The best thing is ideally, if it's possible, keep all the y and dy's on one side, keep all x and dx on the other side. That's the best way. So what we want to do is dy over dx is x by x square plus 1. So here only there is nothing, no y. So I can directly say dy equal to x by x square plus 1. वो तो एज इट इज है, वो dx यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, राइट एवरीबॉडी? इट्स ए सिंपल, दिस इज वेरी सिंपल वन. So dy is equal to x dx by x square plus 1. Now if you have to get the y, obviously I'll integrate this with respect to y. I'll integrate this with respect. I'll integrate both the sides. What if I integrate the left side? What you will get is the left side, guys. What you will get here? What integrate the nothing with dy or 1 with dy? What is integration of y? Is y, right? Integration of 1 with dy. Agree? What is integration of x by x square plus 1? What is the integration of x by x square plus 1? Let's do like this. Suppose say x square plus 1, just to give the idea x square plus 1, we've done this kind of integration lot, say equal to t. तो क्या हो जाएगा 2x dx equal to dt और x dx equal to dt over 2. So ideally your quotient becomes of the right side dt over 2. So over 2 तो बाहर चला गया by t. What is the integration of 1 over t, guys? Everybody knows log of t with absolute value. So by integration becomes y equal to half, and integration of 1 over t is log of t, and my t is x square plus 1. And obviously plus c because it's a general solution. If we know the initial value or initial value problem is there, then we can substitute to find out the particular solution. But general solution is y equal to half of log of x square plus 1 plus c. And that is how you solve the differential equation. Means your final objective is always to get y value in terms of x. That's the core objective. Easy है, clear है, मुश्किल है? it's all about, if you see in one line, put y one side, put the x one side, integrate both the sides. But that is not as easy as looks. Method is this, and it requires all our differential knowledge plus knowledge of integration you did. Okay, good everyone, is it clear? Let's try the second problem if you are clear on this all. CC Usha, okay. Everyone please write CC or Tusha means DTG. Okay. If I give a problem like solve the differential equation x plus 2 dy over dx equal to x square plus 4x minus 9, suppose x square plus 4x minus 9, and I'll tell you x is not equal to minus 2. I'll tell you why x is not equal to minus 2. And if that is the question and your objective is still x is not equal to minus 2, this is the question, solve this differential equation. It's a differential equation because dy over dx is there. How will you solve this? What is the first step you will do? First, we'll arrange into x and y's. So obviously, if you know, you will keep dy here, and everything will go to the right side, remaining one, because again there is nothing more. So the right side is x square plus, let me write as it is, and we have done integration of this kind of thing, x square plus 4x minus 9 over x plus 2, and dx. So this is also easy because there is no variable y. Integrate this, integrate this. यहाँ पे तो y आ जाएगा, no problem at all. Now how you integrate x square plus 4x minus 9 over x plus 2? हम लोगों ने किया है. What the thing you can think? How will you integrate x square plus 4x minus 9 over x plus 2? I can give you idea. If you add plus 4 and minus 4, कर सकते हैं. तो क्या बन गया? ये तो x plus 2 है. x square plus 4x minus 9 by x plus 2. That was the question, everyone. And dx, because we moved the dx to the right side. Now if I add plus 4 and subtract 4, why I am doing this? Because I want to make this perfect square of x plus 2. So can we write this as not this or not? Integration x plus 2 whole square. What is x plus 2 whole square? Dx square. So this term is done, this term is done, this term is done, minus 13 and over x plus 2, right everybody? That is what it is. And dx. Now if you separate the denominators, x plus 2 whole square by x plus 2, क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 2 minus 13 over x plus 2. ये होगा everybody. So we have to find integration of this, and we know integration of this or not. What is integration of x plus 2? Integration of x is x square by 2. So let me write the full equation. Y is the left side, so y equal to integral of x is x square by 2. The differential equation is more about integration only. So x is x square by 2 plus what is integration of 2? 2x minus 13. What is integration of 1 over x plus 2? Log of x plus 2, right everybody? Log of x plus 2. And plus c. So final answer or final solution of differential equation is y equal to x square by 2 plus 2x minus 13 log of x plus 2. So actually what we are doing only, we are simplifying and making integration so that we get the value of y in the form of x. That's the objective of this. Any question? ठीक है ना उषा, everyone?
Yes, sir.
No confusion at all, anybody? Let's try another question. This time we'll try some initial value also. What if I give you something like, say, solve the initial value problem. Initial value problem, nothing but the initial value also will be given. Solve the initial value problem where e to the power, listen very carefully, e to the power dy over dx is equal to x plus 1 and y of 0. Y of 0 means initial condition is given equal to 5. So tell me the approach, anyone, how will we approach this differential equation? E to power dy dx equal to x plus 1. The better thing is, the moment we say e to power something, can I take log on both sides? So if I take log on both sides, लेफ्ट साइड में क्या हो जाएगा? log of e divided by x will be what? Only this or not everybody? And right side, this is perfectly okay or not? So our equation become dy by dx equal to log of x plus 1. Obviously y 0 equal to 5 वो बाद में देखेंगे. So if we take dx in the right side, it become log of x plus 1 dx. Now again, if I want to solve this, I have to take integration. So integration of this, integration of this. So integration of dy तो y हो गया, no problem at all. Now guys, integration log x plus 1 कैसे करते हैं? हमने किया था log x plus 1 या log x, right? What you will do is, इसको मान लो into 1. Remember how we done this? Assume this is my first function, this is my second function, elate, right? Can we integrate log x plus 1 into 1? So first function log x plus 1, second function is 1. So how you integrate this now? कौन बताएगा? हम लोगों ने किया है guys ये. So y equal to first function log of x plus 1. How the integration of product of function works, guys? Product rule, or I said integration by parts. First function into integration of second, 1 का क्या होगा? x. So let me write x here. Agree? Somebody want to say? Correct. So integration. So y. So first function into integration of second, so x minus integration of differentiation of first function. So 1 by x plus 1 into integration of second function. यही था concept. So it become x log x plus 1. Actually, there is nothing new, guys. We have done a lot. Integration का सबसे ज़्यादा class किया हमने. X of log x plus 1 minus. अब x by x plus 1 can we integrate or not? X by x plus 1. Any ideas how we integrate x by x plus 1? You should be very good in algebra to split. Can I write x by x plus 1 as x plus 1 minus 1 by x? Can I write like this? उषा ऐसे कर लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. And why we are doing this, because Brahmapap, can we do this or not? हम x को लिख रहे हैं x plus 1 minus, क्यों? So that x plus 1 by x plus 1 हो जाए. So let me write with the keyboard now. So this become x log of x plus 1 minus integration of x plus 1 by x plus 1. So 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 का dx. Right, everybody? That is how, and we have done this already earlier, how to integrate so now you know. If I write the final solution, my y will be equal to x log of x plus 1, वो तो ऐसे as it is. Now, what is the integration of 1? X. Then what is integration of 1 by x plus 1, guys? Log of x plus 1. And plus c, correct, the constant. That is the general solution of y equal to x log x plus 1 minus x minus log of x plus 1 plus c. That is the solution for the given initial differential equation e dy by dx equal to x plus 1. Now the point is, where is the use of initial condition? It's a y0 5. Y0 is 5. It means for this solution y0 equal to 5. मतलब when you put x equal to 5, the value of y is, sorry, when you put x equal to 0, y equal to 5. इसका मतलब ये होता है ना, when you put value of x as 0, you get y as 5, initial value. So let's substitute now. So instead of y, we'll write 5. X is 0. So ये तो 0 हो गया. 0 into something is gone. Then x is 0, gone. Minus log of x is 0, so log of 1 plus c. Right? In fact, initially be log 1. So what is log 1 value? 0. Log 1 is also 0. So this is all gone. It means my c is 5. Guys, the whole objective initial value is this. We get the value of the constant. So we got value of c equal to 5. So go ahead now and substitute the value of c equal to, instead of c, write 5. So your final solution of the differential equation is y is equal to x log of x plus 1 minus x minus log of x plus 1 plus 5. That is the final solution. So tell me, यहाँ पे there is only two things we done. One thing is differential equation we convert into the form where we can integrate, and secondly we integrated as per the standard rule of integration. Please tell me if any confusion. Nishta, थोड़ा late join किया, you have so understood what I said. It's all about integrating it finally.
Yes, sir.
Super. Clear है? Brahmappa, Usha, Tusham. This is how differential equation problem is solved. See, differential equation is nothing but combination of differential and integration. Differentiation तो easy है. Integration is what we have to practice more. Okay, let's try another form. Let's try another form. Let's see we can solve or not. Let's see how many we can solve. It's all we are going to do different forms. Algebra is important in the first 2-3 examples, right? We will be very clear about how to you can say distribute or how to make the fraction into partial fraction so that you can split the fraction to make your form. If I give a equation like this, solve dy over dx equal to 1 over y squared plus sine of y. Question is solve this. No, they will not also say this differential equation. That we have to know. So we know dy by dx equal to 1 by something. It's a differential equation because dy by dx is there. So question is solve this. Now, good thing is it's not necessary we always do with respect to x or with respect to only y. It's our choice, whichever thing makes easy for us. So guys, any ideas how you want to solve this? Any ideas? I'll make it very easy. If dy by dx is this, guys, can I reciprocal it? Because I want to make it easy for me. Can I say dx by dy is ulta of that? It becomes simply y square plus sine y. It's a basic maths you can use always. There is no stopping. You can always use your basic maths concept. We can say we reciprocal it both. Dx by dy is y square plus sine y. We can always say. No, the first rule in differentiation is take x one side, y one side. So dx in the left and y square plus sine y in the right with dy. Let me put a bracket so that no confusion. So वह कितना simple हो गया? dx equal to y square plus sin y dy. Now if I have to solve, I'll integrate this. What is the integration of the left side, guys? Obviously, integration of dx will do is x only. The one integration is x. What is the integration of y square?
Y cube by 3.
Y cube by 3. See, जो basic concept वही use कर रहे हैं. बस ये कि आपको make a proper equation which is useful for us. So y cube by 3. Then what is integration of sin y?
Minus cos y.
Minus cos y. So ये plus change हो गया minus cos y. और c तो आना ही है. So x equal to y cube by 3 minus cos y plus c. Or if you want, you can write the form of y cube minus 3 cos y equal to 3. That is your the solution. Actually, it's a very easy question, right? It was a very easy question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you a very easy question. I'll give you one question which is more easier than this, just for your practice, so that I know that you all can do. One-liner question, guys. Who can solve in 30 seconds? dy by dx equal to secant of y. Solve the differential equation and give me the solution. Let's see who can solve. It's a 30-second question. Number pass x equal to sin y. Brahmappa, correct. X equal to sin y plus c is Brahmappa. And everybody don't miss plus c. Integration, first rule. So x equal to sin y plus c. That's it. Too easy. Right, Usha, Tushar, Nishta, very easy. What we'll do is, you'll take sec y to the right side. dy by sec y. और dx को इधर ले आओ. No, 1 by sec is cos. So cos of y dy equal to dx. इसलिए देखो अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा था शुरू में, इन द डिफरेंशियल इंटीग्रेशन dy by dx is one common full term, पर ऐसा नहीं है. dy you can put separate, dx separate. That's the logic. cos y dy dx इंटीग्रेट करो दोनों साइड को, इंटीग्रेट किया, इसका आया x, cos y का आया sin y और प्लस c. दिस वाज 30 सेकंड. sin y plus c. Good. Let me give one more easy question. Okay, everybody? Try. And don't miss the negatives, positives. Okay, everybody? Don't miss negative, positive. Let's try. Solve dy over dx plus y equal to 1. Let's see who solves it. You get 1 minute on that. Like that, we'll reach slowly the more and more deep. Make it in a form of the form which you know the integration. That is the logic. X equal to minus log of. You are very close, Brahmappa, very close, but very close, but something wrong. निष्ठा बताओ कैसे करेंगे स्टेप.
So 1 upon 1 minus 5 dy लेंगे is equal to
मैंने तो y को राइट पे ले लिया, करेक्ट है. फिर तुमने ये भी सही बोला, dy बाय 1 minus y लिया राइट साइड में, लेफ्ट साइड में.
yes.
और यहाँ पे सिर्फ रहेगा d. एकदम इजी लग रहा है देखने में अब. राइट निष्ठा?
Yes, sir.
अब what we'll do now is obviously we integrate this.
Integrate
x का इंटीग्रेट तो x आएगा.
Yes, sir.
अब इंटीग्रेट करते हैं इसका. What is integration of 1 by 1 minus y? Oh, what is the integration of 1 by x or 1 by y? Log y.
Log y.
So log of 1 minus y, guys. Brahmappa, that is the only difference. Log of 1 minus y तो हो गया, but लेकिन 1 minus y है वो, y minus 1 नहीं है, तो minus 1 भी आएगा, right? Because it is 1 minus y, not y minus 1, right? When we do differentiation or differentiation, like when we do differentiation of say 1 minus 2x, क्या आता है differentiation minus 2? 1 minus 2, minus 2 आता है, right? Similarly, integration of 1 over 1 minus y is log of this and then minus y का minus 1. So minus of lower.
Log 1.
Right?
Plus. Yes, sir.
Super. So that is the solution, guys. Thank you, Nishta. Everybody okay? Usha, are you okay? X is minus of log 1 minus y plus c. These are a very, very easy question. Tusham, all good? So now, let's move little bit more difficult. And not so difficult, little bit more difficult. Yes, GTG, Tusham, okay. What if I increase the level where I say it is x plus 1 of d over dx, dy over dx equal to 2 of xy. See the guys, left side problem nahi hai. That is the problem. You have to think more now. Think more what you're going to do. Keep just one basic rule in mind. One side everything with x, one side everything is y. If you are able to achieve that, that's good. So I don't want the answer, I want the what will be the first step, Brahmappa. Ramappa, what the first step? Shall we take dx to the right side? Yes, we have to separate, but how to separate is the point. So we taken dx to right side. Now, can I bring the y to the left side? So dy over y, correct? That's why it's required basic maths where we do all this. So dy over y. इधर क्या बचा? 2x dx. Or x plus 1 also comes to the right side. See how easy it looks now. Right? कर सकते हैं ना हम लोग? What we done is, ये y को we taken here. तो y डिनोमिनेटर में चला गया because everything multiply term. और ये x plus 1 को we taken here. So it goes to the denominator. So it become dy by y equal to 2x dx by x plus 1. Now it is easy to integrate or not?
सर
Yes, please.
सर मैंने जो किया था उसमें 2 को भी नीचे रख दिया था, dy by 2y equals to x by x plus 1 dx.
वो भी कर सकती हो. There is no problem at all. There is no problem, Usha. We can do that. So क्या होगा? 1 by y का log y. Integration I am doing now, guys. So log of y in the left side. अब फिर से चलो अगर हम उषा वाली भी बात करते हैं कि let's say remove 2 from here. That is more easy. What Usha is saying. Put 2 here. तो क्या होगा? Half log y, right, Usha?
Yes.
1 by 2 तो बाहर चला गया लोग. अब यहाँ बचा x by x plus 1. Guys, x by x plus 1 को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. x plus 1 minus 1. We can write x as x plus 1 minus 1, right, Usha?
Yes, sir.
So that is what my question now. और ये बन गया x plus 1 by x plus 1 तो 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Correct, Usha? Easy हो गया अब तो.
Yes, sir.
What is the integration of this? If I put this finally,
See.
my integration becomes half log y. Correct, Usha?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, half log y equal
Equals
to integration of 1 would be x,
x.
then minus 1 by x plus 1, तो log of x plus 1.
Log of x.
और x plus 1 में और कोई कोफिशिएंट नहीं है तो it remains same. अगर 2x plus 1 होता तो वो 2 एक्स्ट्रा आ जाता. अगर x 1 minus x होता तो minus 1 एक्स्ट्रा आ जाता. But here no problem. Plus c. So the solution is half log y equal to this or log y equal to 2 multiply कर दो right side में 2 of x minus log of x plus 1. Tell me, easy है कि नहीं differentiation and integration and now the differential equation. है किसी को कोई confusion? All good? Let's solve one trigonometry type of question. Let's see. Good. What if I give a question like this where it's a secant square of x tan of y dx. It looks very difficult, but it's very easy if you are able to separate it out or able to put secant square y tan x dy equal to 0. Please try. Question is solve the below differential equation. Secant square x tan y dx plus secant square y tan x dy. If you solve it, you will find it. Oh, it was so easy. So I'm waiting. Who want to explain or the start of it at least. Any one of you. Solve the differential equation. What is the first step we should do?
So we'll take one of it, like the dx term or the dy term on the opposite side, so that we can separate.
तो चलो x को हम लोग लेफ्ट में रख लेते हैं, y को राइट में ले लेते हैं सपोज. तो बोलो क्या होगा? सेकंड स्क्वायर x अभी तो ये ऐसे रहेगा, तो tan y
dx
इधर ले लेते हैं इसको, दूसरे वाले को, तो माइनस हो जाएगा.
यस सर.
सेकंड स्क्वायर y
tan x dy.
अभी भी मुश्किल लग रहा है देखने में, बट अब क्या करेंगे?
सो y टर्म्स एक साइड कर लेंगे.
हाँ, ये tan x को राइट साइड में ले लेते हैं. तो मैं यहीं पे कर देता हूँ गाइस, मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ tan x गाइस. तो ये tan x चला गया, और ये tan y यहाँ पे लिया निष्ठा.
यस सर.
यहाँ पे लेते हैं, ये हो गया tan y. तो ये चला गया. अब देखो गाइस, द गुड थिंग इज, यही हम लोग चाह रहे थे कि एक तरफ से x का टर्म हो और एक तरफ से y का टर्म हो. इट लुक्स सो इजी आल्सो बिकॉज देखो सेकंड स्क्वायर x और tan x, सेकंड स्क्वायर और y tan y, कुछ रिलेशनशिप दिख रहा है तुम्हें निष्ठा और एनीबॉडी एल्स? व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ tan x?
sec square x.
राइट?
यस सर.
तो अगर इसको हम लोग वैसे भी सोचे कि लेट सब्स्टिट्यूट, अगर माइंड में जरूरत नहीं है, बट सब्स्टिट्यूट लेट से
tan x को t ले सकते,
t ले लिया, तो हमारा हो गया सेकंड स्क्वायर x
sec square x dt.
यस, dx इक्वल टू dt. मतलब हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या बन गया लेफ्ट साइड का?
dt by t.
dt
by t.
ये तो हो गया लेफ्ट साइड में. राइट साइड में भी कुछ और ले लो, u v कुछ भी ले लो. राइट साइड में भी कर सकते हैं tan y इक्वल टू सपोज से v. तो क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस एवरीबॉडी दिस ये हो जाएगा निष्ठा, राइट? dt by t हो जाएगा और dv by v भी हो जाएगा.
यस सर.
गुड. तो शाम सो अब इंटीग्रेट करो निष्ठा. dt by t तो log t हो गया.
log t.
तो डायरेक्टली हम लोग t सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें. हम log of tan x,
log of tan
x तो इधर आ गया, और इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ, अब dv by v तो log of v, मतलब log of tan y.
यस.
तो और प्लस c. एकदम इजी था.
यस सर.
एंड गाइस हम लोग एक और चीज कर सकते हैं. अब लेट मी राइट इन द दिस. अगर और सिंपल वैसे सॉल्यूशन ये हो गया है, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं स्टार. log of tan x, हम log tan y को राइट साइड में लिया है, लेफ्ट साइड में लिया है.
यस सर.
तो log of tan y ये हो गया
is equal to c.
अब log के रूल्स पता है सबको, तुषार एंड एवरीबॉडी? log of something प्लस log of something, ऐसा लिख सकता हूं मैं. tan of x tan of y लिख सकते हैं. log का मतलब ये होता है इक्वल टू c.
यस सर.
सो दिस कैन बी सॉल्यूशन गाइस. और एक और चीज, अगर आपको log हटाना है ना गाइस, नो आई यू माइट आस्क सर क्यों, बट आई एक्सप्लेन यू. इट्स अ कांस्टेंट. तो कांस्टेंट 5 हो, 10 हो, 15 हो, 100, 5000 डजंट मैटर, राइट? इट्स अ सब कांस्टेंट. c को गाइस आई कैन राइट log c आल्सो, नोबडी कैन स्टॉप. तो c लिखो, log c लिखो, क्योंकि कांस्टेंट ही आएगा फाइनली. तो नो, इफ यू रिमूव द log बोथ साइड, you will say tan x tan y equal to c is my answer. और हाँ, वो हम लोग उसको वो कर लेते हैं क्योंकि it can be always a this, but point is c को we can write log c. That is the good thing about if you remove log. Final solution is tan x tan y equal to c is the answer. Interesting?
Yes sir.
Thank you Nishta. Everybody got it? It was not difficult at all. Agar if you leave your answer here also guys, yeah, if you leave here answer also, then also is right, there is nothing wrong, but we always try to make simplest possible. Isliye we reached up to this 10x into 10 by or absolute value 10x 10 by c. That's it. So you realize now कि differential equation मुश्किल नहीं है. It's all about integration. Integration आता है तो differential equation we'll do आराम से. Let's try one more differential equation. Let's see how we solve. We'll try all different types today. Everybody CC here? Good. Nice. Let's do little different one, difficult one. थोड़ा बड़ा सा. If I say solve the differential equation x 1 plus y squared x into 1 plus y squared dx minus y of 1 plus x squared, you know what will come here? dy, वो symmetry जरूरी है. You have to make it easy for us. dy equal to 0 given that initial value भी दे रहा हूँ, given that y equal to 0 when x equal to 1, या फिर ऐसे सुनते y bracket 1 is 0. एक ही बात है. So how will you solve? Everybody try out for, I'll give you 1 minute and then we'll solve. Any ideas? Any ideas? करना वही है, एक तरफ x एक तरफ y, but शुरू में मुश्किल लगता है. So what we'll do is, who want to tell me? Usha, you want to try with me?
Yes, sir.
क्या करने वाले हैं?
सर पहले साइड चेंज कर लेते हैं.
तो साइड चेंज कर लिया तो x 1 plus y squared dx equal to, ये इधर ले आते हैं, y 1 plus x squared dy. ये तो ये हो गया. अब क्या करने वाले हैं?
सो x के इसको अगर तोड़ दे तो?
हाँ, पर तोड़ने से मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्योंकि अभी क्या है कि ये देखो, अब देखो हमारा पूरा ये पूरा एक ही टर्म लग रहा है ना, ये इसलिए अच्छा है. नीचे प्लस ये पूरा एक ही टर्म है तो इजी है. तो हम लोग पूरा इसको उठा के लेफ्ट तरफ सपोज x है हमारा, तो 1 प्लस स्क्वायर को नीचे ले आ सकते हैं ना.
यस सर. 1
तो ऐसे लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. इसको ऐसे लिख देते हैं. अगर मैं पूरा 1 प्लस स्क्वायर यहाँ ले आऊं
तो ये हो जाएगा 1. हाँ,
तो मैं यहाँ से हटा देता हूँ एवरीबॉडी. राइट उषा?
इट विल बी x by 1 plus x square dx और इधर हो जाएगा y by 1 plus y square dy.
हाँ, तो इजी लग रहा है राइट अब.
यस सर.
और इधर में ले आया 1 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. तो अभी देखिए 2 स्टेप लगते हैं. पहले स्टेप में लेफ्ट से राइट करके मेक इट ओनली कॉस्ट फ्यू टर्म्स. तो ये मैंने हटा दिया. अब वेट, इसमें प्रॉब्लम मुझे लिखने का, बट इट्स ओके. 1 सेकंड. सो तो इजी लग रहा है x dx by 1 प्लस स्क्वायर और y dy by 1 प्लस y स्क्वायर. वो काफी सिमेट्रिक भी लग रहा है. नाउ इंटीग्रेट करना है मुझे. देखो काम कर सकते हैं. 1 प्लस स्क्वायर का dx करते 2x आएगा तो 2 लगा दें या एक्स्ट्रा, या फिर 2 लगा देते हैं क्योंकि अब इंटीग्रेशन इजी है गाइस. अगर 1 प्लस स्क्वायर को t मारेंगे उषा तो 2x dx चला जाएगा तो 1 by t हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ यस सर. यस सर.
तो इधर भी 1 2y dy 1 plus y square को मान लो v u कुछ भी, तो 1 by u. तो
1
you tell me directly कि क्या आने वाला है? इंटीग्रेशन log of
of 1 plus
1 x square, correct? 1 by 1 x square. ये आएगा इसका. Actually, we should always write in the terms of absolute value. उसके बाद ये तो मेरा एक ये हुआ. तो राइट साइड में आएगा log of 1 plus y square
1 plus y square
plus c plus c. या तो we can give answer like this only, but हाँ यहाँ पे हमारा initial value भी है. तो can we again move log? इस log को इधर ले ले उषा.
yes sir. log of 1 plus x minus log of
log of this minus log of this. तो माइनस मतलब क्या होता है? डिवाइड.
डिवाइड के टर्म्स में आ गए.
तो हो गया 1 plus x square by 1 plus y square. इक्वल टू c. फिर से मैं c को गाइस log c लिख दूंगा, करेक्ट, क्योंकि log c भी कांस्टेंट ही रहना है मुझे. सो नाउ इफ आई रिमूव log, तो मतलब रिमूव एक्चुअली कैंसिल नहीं करते हम log. इट्स अ log of these two value will be same only when their coefficient are same, right? ये तरीका होता है.
सर हमने 1 plus x को t माना है या फिर 1 plus x square?
1 plus x square को मानेंगे, जब तो 1 plus x square इक्वल टू t, तो 2x dx इक्वल टू dt, राइट?
हाँ
क्या लिख दूं मैं? t इक्वल टू 1 plus
x square. हाँ, फिर 2x काट लो.
अभी 2x, वो यदि 2 हमने लिखा ही इसलिए था वहां पे. यू आर राइट. तो dt इक्वल टू 2x dx, राइट? ऐसे राइट साइड में भी किया. तो ये log of 1 plus x square by 1 plus y को log c आया, या फिर आई कैन से 1 plus x squared
by 1 plus y
by 1 plus y squared equal to c. अब आएगा काम इनिशियल वैल्यू, राइट एवरीबॉडी? तो उषा अब हम लोग नो वी कैन यूज दिस.
yes sir we can use.
तो जब x इक्वल टू 1 है तो y 0 है, तो लेट्स पुट इट. तो 1 प्लस x 1 है तो 1 बाय 1 प्लस y 0 इक्वल टू c.
c equals to
तो c इक्वल टू आया 2 by 1 और 2. और जब 2 आ गया, फाइनली ये c को हटा दो और 2. My solution of this differential equation is this: 1 plus x square by 1 plus y square equal to 2. तो मेथड इज स्टैंडर्ड है. वेरी गुड उषा. एवरीबॉडी इज क्लियर? That is how. Now before close, I want to try at least one more type. कोई confusion है किसी को? Good. Let's solve one more question. dy by dx equal to, let me put this down, say e to the power, and guys, I believe you all are very comfortable with powers outward, plus x squared e to the power minus y. Tell me now, how will you solve this differential equation? Obviously, method is एक तरफ y, एक तरफ x. The problem is e to the power x minus y. That is the problem, right, everybody? So, can we do this? E to dy by dx ठीक है as it is. Now I'll write something. Tell me, is it correct or not? Can I write e to power x minus y as ex into e to power minus y? Is it right or wrong?
Right, sir.
And that is the very important thing. Plus x square e to power minus y. So why we done it? Because हमको x और y को अलग करना है, right? So can I take e to power minus y common here, guys? So dy by dx, तो e to power minus y को मैंने आउटसाइड ले लिया कॉमन फैक्टर, तो क्या बचेगा अंदर?
e to power x plus x square.
That's it. अब the moment we see this, अब देखो फायदा क्या है? See guys, all what term? ये पूरा एक ही टर्म है अब, क्योंकि बीच में एक तो e to power minus y into something. So full is one term. There is no plus minus in between. So we can always shift. No, if I want to put dy in the left side, I can move e to power minus y into the left side. तो वो हो गया dy by e to power minus y, right everybody? और e to power minus y को मैं फिर ऊपर ले गया. It becomes this or not? ये भी जरूरत नहीं है इसका. 1 second. I have taken e to power minus y from right to left. तो वो नीचे हो गया 1 by e to power minus y, ऊपर चला गया e to power y. तो मेरा बन गया e to power y dy. अब मैं लाया dx को इधर, यहाँ पे हो गया e to the power x plus x squared dx. Now tell me, is it a very easy equation to integrate or not? I believe each one of you will be able to integrate this very easily. It's all about separating it out x and y. So tell me, what will be integration of the right side, left side? E to y, तो e to y same रहेगा, equal to right side e to power x will remain e to power x. You know, I don't know how many of you know e to power x is the most lovable function in the world in the math. Lot of mathematicians, physicists, e to power x is the most lovable function because
It remains the same in differentiation and integration.
the whole reason is because when you integrate it or you differentiate it, it remains same. That is why most of the difficult जो practical जो equations होता है ना research के लिए when we do, Usha is doing research, Usha will know. That's why we use general solution in the form of e to power x something. And Usha, maybe if you want to tell something about research. I am fascinated by that she is doing research, right, Usha? Sorry, I disclosed it.
It's okay.
So e to power x is e to power x, and x square का होगा x cube by 3. So many of the equation का general solution will be form of e to power something, e to power lambda t or something, because it does not change in the integration or differentiation. So solution of this equation is simple: e to power y equal to e to power x plus x cube by 3 plus 3. How easy it was, guys, right? Initially it looked now e to power x minus. So the crux of the problem, you can say the master stroke was this, कि we can separate out this. This is the main step. उसके बाद तो एकदम easy है. Good enough. You got the idea now of differential को कैसा भी हो, you can always move all the differential coefficient and the variables of one time in the left, one time in the right, and then use all this. Integration को solid करना है, guys. That's why we done the maximum classes for integration itself. Okay. Any question before we end up, guys? That concludes this course. I planned for 2 months, guys, but it happened more than 3 months. I thought I'll start on 6th March and I'll finish on 6th May. But आज already 6th June, 1 month extra. But fine, because we've done a lot of integration. Anybody want to say anything? Usha, do you want to say anything about your research? What you are doing?
So right now, is little bit I started with image processing, deep learning, and machine learning.
Okay.
But little bit I like to say about maths. Only one thing, that when I was studying in +2, that time I never realized that it is that much important.
Yes, yes. It happens with most students.
What
Even
we
like
think
when,
that what is the use of it, we are not able
in
to
fact,
understand.
you are right. Even when I was a student, I was array integrated differentiation. We don't look from the perspective that tomorrow, in future,
Yes.
when we do either the research or even when you go to some of the institute where we are working job or a scientist, these all are very useful.
Yeah, so when we are going directly, like during engineering also, I didn't realize, like, okay, just for passing, and we did put little bit effort and we passed and everything.
Yes, yes,
Going
yes.
to study further, if you're going to do masters and all, then it is very, very, very
Yeah,
useful.
yeah. In masters, very useful in research. Obviously, when you do PhD or even like suppose when you are working for a certain institute and there you have to do some research, then you got all practical knowledge, right? Why we have to use something, right?
Yes, sir.
It's
Even
all
if you want to go become data scientist also, the
yes.
thing is basically all mathematics.
It's all mathematics. In
It's
fact, you
all
know,
math.
even with machine learning and even you
Yes,
say all data science, na,
all
it's
maths.
all about maths.
Yes, sir.
You're right. That's good. Good. Anybody want to say anything, Nishta, Brahmappa? Kuch more before we close today's session and close this whole workshop?
So actually, this
Yes. Nishta, go on. Then Brahmappa after that. Yes.
this whole 12 maths closed has actually helped me clear my basics, covered a
That's
lot of things that I already forgot.
okay.
And
Yes.
the one before me rightly said that even during engineering, we study all these things, but we are not able to apply it in the real life because there's lack of application in colleges.
Yeah, and what happens,
More and more
see, I'll tell you
theories
what
there.
happens in school and college. What happens, see, it's not our problem. Actually, breaking swing, it is not because of students. What happens is, I'll tell you. See, in the schools, what happens is they give you, okay, 5 subjects. Each subject has 20 chapters, and teachers have to finish those subjects in the particular time period. So nobody really get a time or the perspective of thinking practically. Oh, these neither the teachers and neither they put focus on student can understand what it is. They say, oh, so complete this chapter, do a test, good the exam, right? The whole system is like that. That's why as a student we always also try to, oh, we have to understand this topic and score the marks in the exam. But that is not the real thing, right?
Yes, sir.
And that what happen, yes. And we realize very late when we suppose go to any, even when you go to job na, and suppose by luck we get some kind of project where we have to use all these skills, then it's a like practical usage of all this, and then we realize, oh, we should have done that. But good guys, at least see, no, I will not believe. See, I really appreciate Usha, Brahmappa, Tusham, Nishta, and point is, you will not believe. This course is this class 12 course are running. There are 22 people registered. They paid for this, but except 5 or 6 of you, most of people they are attending because they say, oh, I'll give videos, so they will talk videos. That's why generally I don't give videos to any of my course because what happens is the moment I announce I'll give videos, people start thinking, oh, we'll not attend class, we'll directly watch videos. But that's why I appreciate all of you, because you are very consistent. Most of you are very consistent in terms of though you know you will get videos, you are still attending class. And so thank you so much. Feel free, I am always there for all of you. Feel free to reach out in WhatsApp. And anyway, when these videos are uploaded in the system, there is an option you can always ask question on me. Okay. All the best and thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Brahmappa, what do you want? Yes, thank you. Brahmappa, no, I want to hear from you. You were saying something.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I joined lately. I wish I would have joined for this class 11 also. So anyway,
Initially what we did, Brahmappa, is we started with the matrix, then we done probability, then we done. So no problem. Those all videos are anyway there. So you will obviously you should watch all those. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yes. Please
And,
complete what you're saying.
almost I forgotten whatever you learned, whatever you taught, sir. So now I got recall of everything. Now I got some confidence also, sir.
Good, good. Maths is not very difficult, but yeah, we have to give proper time and we have to do a lot of problem solving. See, when I was in my school, class 10th, 11th, 12th, means, see, I become serious in class 9th only. Till class 8th, I was also very average. After class 10, I become serious. And in class 10th onwards, I used to do a lot of maths. You will not believe, for integration and differentiation, I have solved 500 questions plus each. Each topic 500 questions I solved, like integration, big. So that gives lot of idea, lot of clarity. Okay, how in my school time I'm saying, because we had a very big book like Manjit Singh. I don't know how many of you know. In my school time, that was the best book at that time, and we used to solve all the questions because there are a lot of examples, and that's the best way to practice math. Concept should be clear and a lot of practice. So good, everybody. Thank you. Anybody want to say anything before we close? So that's all then. See you everyone in next course, whichever happens. Bye bye and take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.